Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice using leftover rice. First, ensure your rice is cold and day-old. This prevents stickiness. Next, prepare all your ingredients before you start cooking. Chop your vegetables, mince garlic, and have your protein ready. This mise-en-place approach makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring everything cooks evenly and quickly. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your minced garlic and ginger, stirring for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, introduce your protein, such as chicken or shrimp, and cook it until it's almost fully done. This ensures your protein is perfectly cooked without becoming overdone later. Next, it's time for the vegetables. Add harder vegetables like carrots and peas first, stir-frying for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, incorporate softer vegetables such as bell peppers or corn, cooking for just another minute. Finally, add your cold, leftover rice. Break up any clumps with your spatula, ensuring it mixes well with the other ingredients in the pan. For the grand finale, push your rice mixture to one side of the pan. Add a small amount of oil to the empty space, then pour in a beaten egg. Scramble the egg quickly, then mix it thoroughly into the rice. Drizzle with 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil. Stir everything together, cook for another minute, and serve your delicious homemade fried rice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.